Hello students, welcome to another concept video of Erudite. Today I will talk about pie charts, multiple pie charts when given with no absolute data. How to deal with it? Commonly, students are very much comfortable when two pies are given. Like you can see in the given figure, Apple Alliance has recently launched a new version of flagship smartphone Uphone in India. They have recorded the sales figures in 6 major cities: Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai, and Kolkata. The two pie charts represent the collected sales data. Fine. Up to the students have no issues. When they start feeling uncomfortable is when they see between the units sold and the pie, the actual number is not given, which they were expecting very much. They feel like this: if I had this total unit sold, I could have easily calculated units sold in every region. Then they see the second pie, and same issue they face: revenue, pie chart, no absolute data in between. And the feeling is even stronger now. If I could have got the total revenue figure, I easily could have calculated revenue earned from each of the region. And this is the feeling which tends the student to take some variable. Students think if I take a variable, it might be easier. Not exactly. See, the actual value not given, it is like a freedom. And how to take the best out of it. Don't take any variable. Don't take any variable. Simply take the total units sold as 100. Total units sold in the 6 cities is 100. Why 100? Is because 100 is a data calculating percentage on which is easiest. And revenue total is 100 rupees. Now you might be saying, sir, their total nowhere given. No, I'm not taking their total. This is 100 unit and this is 100 rupees. I'm just taking it in that way. Because I also read both the problems are associated with selling price per unit. Average selling price per unit, highest selling price per unit. So if the total revenue earned from 6 cities is rupees 100 and unit sold is 100, so average selling price per unit of the 6 city is rupees 1 per unit. That is overall average selling price. Average selling price. Overall average selling price. Now, any particular city, how to deal with it? I will deal with all the 6 cities. I will do this discussion for all the 6 cities. You might be thinking, sir, first problem, they have mentioned 4 cities. You could have ignored 2. So, okay, let's do that. City in which city selling price per unit is highest. Let us look at the first option, Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is this shade. How much revenue earned from Ahmedabad? 15 rupees. By selling how many units? At Ahmedabad, by selling 12 units. This is a fraction greater than 1. Yes, it is. So this is above average selling price. Next is Bengaluru. This line's 11 rupees earned by selling 15 units. 11 by 15. And I can very well see this is less than 1. So first of all, Bengaluru cannot be the answer. Chennai, this bricks, 19 units. By selling them, you are getting 18 rupees. 18 by 19. 18 rupees per 19 unit. Again less than 1. Cannot be the answer. Next is Delhi. Delhi is this one. 18 units. 23 rupees. So either it is Delhi or it is Ahmedabad. What I can do, I will make the denominator of Ahmedabad 18. Denominator of Ahmedabad 18. city selling price per unit more than the average. Average is 1. Two left over. Kolkata. How much revenue? 10. 5, 6. Mumbai. Next, Mumbai. How many units? 20 units. I got two correct answers. Just because it was so simple, just because I've taken here 100 units, I've taken here 100 rupees. That was the main trick.